This video attempts to explain the basic concept of cloud computing in a very simple manner. We will also discuss what typical challenges can cloud computing solve for startups so that you can decide for yourself whether cloud computing offerings can benefit your startup or not. Let's say you've launched a startup and you want to build a website where customers can see your products and place orders. At first, it might seem like you could run everything from a simple computer or laptop. But you would expect your website to be available for your customers 24/7, with enough speed even when hundreds of users are accessing it. Running website from a laptop or PC obviously won't help you achieve those objectives. Very quickly you realize that you need something more powerful, a server. But buying a server is just the start. You need space to store it, cooling to keep it from overheating, reliable electric power, and a constant internet connection. Soon, these problems will start bothering, taking out your precious time from focusing on business to solving these infrastructure issues, and of course, loss of orders and customer satisfaction. Another option available would be to buy enough server capacity with a data center provider who manages the power, cooling, space, and connectivity for you. Yes, it can achieve the objectives of 24/7 availability of your website with enough speed for hundreds of users. But there are certain hidden problems with this approach as well. Let's explore why this option would also not be a right option for your startup. With data center providers, you will need to plan your server capacity needs for a long term and commit to it with an upfront payment. You will be paying for 100% server capacity considering your needs for maybe a year. As you can see in the graph, while the actual server utilization will increase gradually with your business growth, you literally end up paying for the capacity which your company is not using. Assume a scenario where you would want to run a marketing campaign. More customers would be accessing your website during this campaign. Depending on the success of your marketing campaign, it may even result in higher server capacity utilization above the reserved, committed capacity due to overwhelming response from market. In this case, with data center provider-based option, your website will be disrupted during the marketing campaign, compromising its whole purpose. Too much to bother, right? What if you could get server capacity just like how you use electricity at home? What if someone managed the server infrastructure in a way that you could just switch on the server when you need? What if you could increase its capacity during situations like marketing campaigns and later reduce capacity to normal? What if you could use it for 1 minute or even years with free quick server replacements if needed? What if you could switch off the server when you don't need it and ultimately pay only for the capacity and duration you used without any upfront payments? This is what cloud computing offers you. Ultimate flexibility without any headaches while you focus on your business growth. Such companies manages the infrastructure to offer you compute, storage, and server internet bandwidth as you need. They let you increase or decrease those capacities as per your needs. You or your team can access and install required software applications on those servers anytime over internet, just like in normal physical servers at your office. Ultimately, they charge you only for the capacities you used based on the absolute duration of your usage. Such companies are called infrastructure as a service providers, or simply IaaS providers. Now that you got rid of the headaches related to managing your own server infrastructure by getting server capacity from IaaS cloud provider, you can host your company's online store, website, etc. on that server. But wait, who will develop those websites and applications for your company? Maybe you can recruit and set up your own software development team to do it, or else outsource that development work to an external software company. But either of these options would take considerable time and you would have to wait till then to start getting your orders online. What if you don't have to develop such an application at all? What if somebody just eases that as well for you by providing you a service that you can simply sign up online and then customize and create an online portal or website as per your company needs and just make it available for your customers to order immediately? Such service providers who offer you a configurable online software that you can simply sign up and use for yourselves or offer to your customers with your company's branding, products, services, etc., are called Software as a Service providers or SaaS or SaaS providers. SaaS providers offers you a full-fledged application with industry-standard features, ready to use right out of the box. They takes away all the complexities of managing the underlying server infrastructure and software development from you. You can thus focus on growing your business and access the necessary software applications from anywhere, anytime over internet. IaaS and SaaS are just two of the major cloud service types. A table comprising the cloud service types that can help startups, explaining what they are, how they can help startups, and some examples are furnished here for your reference. While there are many types of cloud offerings and variety of cloud service providers for each type, there are few aspects that are common across all the cloud offerings. Let's see some of those reasons by which startups can get benefited from cloud offerings. With cloud, you only pay for what you use, whether it's a few hours or months. And as your business grows, the cloud scales with you automatically. No need to worry about buying new servers or overcommitting to unused capacity. As your business grows, the cloud can scale with you automatically. No more campaign shockers. Cloud services often come with built-in disaster recovery, so even if something goes wrong, your data is backed up and your business keeps running smoothly. Cloud providers manage security for you, protecting your data with top-tier security measures that might be too expensive or complicated for a small startup to implement on its own. Want to reach customers around the world? With data centers in multiple regions, cloud providers help you offer fast and reliable service, no matter where your customers are located. No more manual updates. Cloud providers automatically handle software updates and give you access to cutting-edge technologies like AI, machine learning, and big data analytics as quickly as you need. Some of the major cloud service providers, like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, provides huge offers for startups to adopt cloud and get ahead swiftly by leveraging their cloud service offerings. They offer free credits to use cloud services like servers, storage, etc. Some of them even offer free tools access like email services, website hosting, enterprise-level chat services, etc. You can even avail free consults with them for adopting cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, generative AI, etc. for boosting your company growth. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more startup tech tips from Vibing Techie. Let us know in the comments if you need more details on any of these sections.